Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for Chatbot Conversion Rate Optimization. To use ChatGPT for Chatbot Conversion Rate Optimization, just follow these steps. First is define conversion goals. Clearly define the desired user actions you want to optimize within the chatbot, such as lead gen, sales, or sign-ups. Next is prepare test variants. Create different variations of your chatbot, incorporating changes to responses, dialogue flow, call to action placement, design elements, or other factors that may impact conversion rates. Third is split user groups. Split your user groups into segments and assign them randomly or based on specific criteria to different chatbot variants, ensuring balanced representation. Next is implement conversion tracking. Set up tracking mechanisms to monitor and record conversion events for each chatbot variant, utilizing analytic tools, tracking pixels, or custom tracking solutions. Last is analyze conversion metrics and optimize. Analyze the conversion metrics for each variant, comparing conversion rates, revenue generated, or other key conversion metrics. Identify the variant with the highest performance and implement it as the optimized chatbot version. So, by following these steps, you can systematically test and optimize your chatbot to improve conversion rates and achieve your conversion goals. So, that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!